GROWMARK bring value to our farmers.
We either manufacture or procure anything a farmer would need to put into his or her equipment or field.
We've got over 106 locations, over 9,000 employees. Our job is to try and influence them that when they're out there by themselves, are they choosing safe?
Safety touches everything in our organization.
Through SafetyCulture, we can prove that what we're doing matters.
We swim in risk. The materials we're handling at the farm gate is risk ever present.
Anhydrous is good fertilizer, but it can be dangerous. You've got to respect it at all times.
Really does a good job of helping to grow our crops. When not treated or respected, it'll flat out kill you.
We want everybody to go home to their family and loved ones every single day.
Whether it's PPE or putting on a seatbelt or all those basic safety things, those are all choices. The more you look for, the more you find. The more you find, the more you fix. The more you fix, it would stand to reason, the better chances you have to reduce losses. SafetyCulture shows that we're getting better every day. That value gets translated to our customers, our farmers, our growers, the C-suite, and everybody in between.
We can prevent an injury somewhere because somebody posted a good catch or a near miss, and then that got shared throughout the organization.
If it's happening in Northwest Iowa, it's probably happening in Wisconsin. If it's happening in the Midwest, it's probably happening in the East Coast. And I bet you the Canadians are having the same issues that we're having. Geographical footprint is still huge, but the amount of effort it takes for us to reach everybody, it's right in the palm of my hand. We are actually saving lives. We couldn't do it any other way.